Picture!
Magandang araw, everyone!
Ikaw! Sabi ko, picture. Picture! Oh, ang plima.
Magandang araw, everyone!
Ikaw na! Hello! Oh, may kanta na naman siya. Anong kanta mo?
Sinabon. Abjekan for Lord. Abjekan.
Anong sinabon? Anong sabon yan? Surf? May pagala na naman po tayo for today's vlog. Magpunta tayo kay Bianan kay may ano daw siya, may pagdalhan po daw siya sa atin. Ewan saan yun, mga sand man yun. Kaya may dala po tayong mga palaruan po din natin ito. Para sa sand. Ewan, saan na yung nabili namin sa island ba?
Ano kaki?
Ayusin na, ganyan yan siya, bibilab. Kaya medyo mahaba sa'yo.
Yan yung picture siya.
Picture!
Magandang araw, everyone!
Kuya, uya kay outfit dong. Tingnan nyo dito, kailangan na naman tong bunutin guys. Humaba na naman po sila.
Magandang araw, everyone!
Ang buhay ng Kristiyano.
Magandang araw, everyone!
Magsing ka muna na ang buhay ng Kristiyano. Dali, 1, 2, 3, go!
Magandang araw, everyone!
Ikaw, bully ka masyado kay mama ha. Alam mo masyado paano ko inisim ha. Do you love me?
I love you.
From?
For my eyes.
For?
For everywhere.
For everywhere.
I love you from.
Do you love me?
I love you.
For?
The bottom of my heart.
For?
The bottom of my heart.
Iba yan. For?
For
Ha?
forever.
Hindi for everywhere. For everywhere. I love you for everywhere.
I love you forever.
Yes. And ever and ever. Okay?
And bottom of my heart.
And from the bottom of my heart.
From the bottom of my poop.
No. Nothing for you. You're not cold.
Yeah.
I brought two different coats in the back of the car. I can choose later.
My mama kiss.
Mamaya, ikis kita pagbaba. Grabe talaga yan. Uy,
Mama.
join na! Nathan, mamaya, pag nandun na tayo kay Oma, okay? I love you. For?
The bottom of my poop.
Punabuto mo pa may poop. My love, I was in Antwerp, right? And then I went to H&M. I bought there 1 shirt and 1 pants. And then I paid with the self-scan, mahal. And then, next to the self-scan, there is a thing that you can take off the, you know, the black stuffs.
Yes.
Yeah. I thought that the clothes that I bought did not have that because I tried doing that. And then when I went to the hotel and check again the clothes, it still has the black stuffs. And then after that, I wanted to send it back to the store. It was all closed because it was Assumption of Mary. And now I still have it until now. So I'll go to the H&M here, mahal.
Do you have the receipt?
No, but I have it in my, what is that I paid there.
Okay. Well, you can use it. You can tell them don't have the receipt. So just tell them the story, what happened.
Yeah.
Show them that you paid, but you don't have the receipt.
Yeah, it was closed, mahal. You know, I went to Krautvat
Yeah.
in Antwerp, and then I went in. I was afraid to go out because I was beep, beep, beep. Maybe they will think, but
But these things, they work with magnets, right?
I don't know.
Well, just show me what it looks like. I
Yeah.
have some strong magnets at home, so maybe we can just do it.
Yeah, maybe they will.
I
think
don't know.
that
I never tried that before, but
Yeah. Buang yun, uy. Nandoon pa rin siya. Hindi pa kasi ako nakapunta ng H&M. Tinanong ko si Maricel. I asked Maricel if she can do it for me.
Yeah.
Maybe she's afraid. I asked her if she can do it for me. Or maybe they don't have the thing, mahal, to get that out.
the beep beep beep.
Yeah. No, not the beep beep beep, but the machine to take it out, the black one. Kasi may subscriber na nagsabi, tanungin mo si Maricel kasi nagtatrabaho sa store. Tinanong ko siya, sabi niya hindi daw. Alam niyo, hindi sana matuloy itong paggala natin. Kagabi pa itong naplano, pero kanina ba, parang masamang pakiramdam ko kay meron na naman akong pakunti na ano dito, masakit yung...
No self-scan stuffs.
No self-scan? What do you mean?
No.
No?
I How many water do you want?
2. Ano, masakit yung dito ko guys. So parang paano na naman po ako stiff neck. Kaya hindi tayo massage this month. Kasi Daniel po, nagpunta yan siya ng doktor 2 days ago. Kasi yung dito niya, bigla lang siya magsakit. Sabi ko baka infection sa sa ears. Pero hindi man, wala man siyang lagnat guys. Di ba pag infection, lagnat man. So sabi ng doktor, pag 1 week andyan pa din, magbalik po daw siya doon. Ngayon, paracetamol lang ang ipaano sa kanya, ang binigay. Yes, biyanan. Hello!
Hallo. Oh, you is pretty cow. Gaan we gelijk?
Oh, so mo, why are you blooming today, Vika?
I'm always blooming.
Looks like you have a boyfriend, ah. Because you're blooming.
Yes. But I don't have a boyfriend.
Wala, he doesn't have plan anymore to have a boyfriend. Inggit ako sa pagka-blooming ni Bianan today. Ganyan talaga daw pag walang boyfriend. Tsaka pag walang asawa. Blooming. Kaya wala daw anong sakit sa ulo. Ayun na nga, hindi sana tayo matuloy today. Pero naisip namin si Nathan, bukas may pasok na ulit. Kaya igala po natin. Sino ang magpunta sa school bukas? Ano sa Tagalog?
Ako.
Ako, very good.
Ako.
Humingi ng candy kaya meron yan palagi si Bianan sa sasakyan niya.
Alsjeblieft.
Wow. Hala, ano yan?
Ja.
Bebe Lab, ano gusto mo kainin mamaya sa dinner?
Bami.
Oh, Nathan wants bami, Bika.
Mami.
Yo.
Oh, lekker.
Sabay dito yung mag-dinner.
Lekker.
Bami.
Zit er ook wel lekker.
Inusuan. Masarap kasi yan magbami si Bianan, guys. Parang nawala pa tayo, guys.
No.
We are lost, Bebe Lab. We are lost.
Wow.
Hindi ko alam. Oh, we are not lost. We're here. Tama pala, guys. Tinignan nila sa Google Map. Opo, magpunta tayo sa sand. Oh,
Tata.
We are here.
Kom maar, schatje.
doon kayo madali.
We are here.
Andersom.
May mga pa-activity sila dito. Pa-golf. Tapos marami pong ano dito na village, no? Ano yung mga pang-camping-camping. Ang dami good tao. First time din po daw ni Bianan dito. Outdoor siya, guys. May pa-forest po sila. Tapos meron din po silang pa-swimming pool. Pero kay kalamig naman ng tubig. Sa pool, no? Tourist spot po talaga din siya. Ano to? Restaurant. Daming tao sa loob. Ayan, buti na lang nandyan ang lola niya. Sige siya tanong. Kakaiba itong trip natin. Forest na naman tayo, guys.
Wat zeg je?
Dat er zoveel mensen zijn en dat je van alles kan doen. Kijk, nou zijn we al in het bos, zie je dat?
Wat voor bos?
Hier is het bos.
Wat is
Hier
dat?
kun je wandelen.
En?
Verstiktak net alle brandnetels, eh? Yung mga makakati na plants. Ang dami po dito.
Oh, en daar.
Diyos ko ito, wow, kalalaki. Hindi normal. Oh, wow! Look at that, guys. Ito na yun. Dito na yun, guys. Moyor. May mga header din po sila. Yung katulad sa pinuntahan po natin na island. Meron na picture doon. Oh, buntis pa mag-asawa. Pa-prenatal picture. Grabe itong trip natin, eh. Kainit ba ya, guys? Malamig ang hangin pero ang init mapanakit. Yung mga wrinkles. Dami ding mga aso dito. Na ano yan, oh. Hindi nila pinali na. Naglaro-laro lang. Pero hindi yan sila mag-ano guys. Believe din ako sa mga ano po nila, aso nila dito, no? Kaya hindi sila mag-aw-aw. Mga ano sila ba, well-trained. Kahit may mga bagong aso na hindi nila kilala, halimbawa sa city, ang magkadaan-daan lang sila, hindi sila mag-aw-aw guys. Meron din yan pamilya, nagakit-akyat po ng puno. Ganda din dito in fairness. Wait, let's take a picture there in the heather. Look at the heather, everyone. Wow. You see the heather? Beautiful. I love it. Photo! 1, 2, 3. Ah!
Nathan.
Look, we can look.
Oh boy.
Yeah. Doon tayo sa malaking ano,
Hier is een paard.
sa malaking puno. Ganda guys, tingnan nyo. Ade, picture tayo, be. Can you take a picture of us to Vika? Me and Nathan. Come on. Nathan, photo. Wait lang. Dito na mga tarak-tarak. Ay, Diyos ko, Lord. May dinala pa siyang tarak-tarak. Yung dinala niya din yung ano, babagay talaga dito. Yung makasugakod ba? Yung pang off-road niya din na ano, na tarak-tarak. Hala, sige, kahit nahirapan na siya, kadami-dami niyang dala. Ayun na sila, biyan, andun po tayo sa malaking puno. Iba po to pagkasama natin si Bian, mga nature, yung mga, ano niya guys, mga trip po niya. The Heide, kung sa ano pa Dutch, kung English, heather. Alam niyo, nung kulang dito, ano sana, meron din sana silang patubig, no? Maganda na rito masyado talaga. Pag may patubig din po sila. Nag-akit na ang maglula. Ganda ng puno guys, look. Wow! Wow! Foto! Bebe lang, photo! Goed blijven zitten, hè? Wait lang, 1, 2, 3. Nathan! Dito, tingin. Ay, kaganda naman pala ng picture na yan. Picture niya sa apo niya, guys. Yan ang kasiyahan ng mga lola, no? Mag-picture sa mga apo. You could have bring your kite here.
And then where will I kite?
Here?
Where? Exactly. Where do you see room to kite here? Because I don't see any. Also, there's no wind here because it's between all the trees.
Yeah. But you like it here? I
That's
think
a nice spot.
it's better if they have also water here. Right?
There's a spot with water.
Oh, there is?
It's not here if you don't.
Ah, okay. Yun na yun, guys. Upo lang dito. I said you're so pogi.
Did you know?
What?
Did you say that now?
Why? Yeah, that's what I said. Now, vind je hier leuk, baby love? Vind je hier mooi?
Ja.
Okay.
Hij nog niet.
Si Bianan pa naaamoy daw ang heather, guys. Amoy nga natin. Sabi ko hindi ko alam anong amoy niya kasi. Hindi ko masabi kung ano po siya. Amoy natin. No smell, Vika.
You smell it?
No smell at all.
No smell?
Y-
Jawel.
Walang amoy na yung color. Ano po
Ruik
siya.
gewoon als ik hier sta.
Pasensya na may mga kuko dyan.
Stap je neus erin zo helemaal.
Nothing.
Like this.
Like this.
Nee, niks.
Kijk,
Mooi hè?
No
Nee.
smell.
ik wil het
Ah, ikaw, amoyin mo to, oh. Nathan, baby love. Amoy mo.
de huizen.
Hmm.
We lijken het huizen.
Yeah? Kaganda talaga ng paano nila, guys. Mga papuno po nila dito. Tapos doon pwede ka magpasok dyan, oh, pero katakot man, oh. Mga puno-puno din po sa loob, no? Ano to siya, forest, tapos hiking po ang mga tao dito. Kaya pala maraming mga nagka-camping, maraming mga camping houses po dito na malapit. Umakyat na ang 73 years old, oh. 73 years old, feels like 18. Voorzichtig, baby love.
Oh. Dit is het, denk ik. Moet niet uitglijden.
And then picture, photo. Wacht even, Vika. I'll take a picture of both of you.
Ja, kom maar, Nathan. Oh, ik vind het wel een beetje eng. Als oma haar voeten uitglijden.
Alis ka dyan. Magbaba na si Oma. Natakot si Oma.
Zo. Lijkt
So. And then, kijk maar hier, baby love. Ik maak een foto van jullie. Van jou en van Oma.
Het lijkt heel wat, maar het is niks.
Oh, kijk hier. 1, 2, 3, Nathan. Yay, just you, Vika. Wow! Love it! Diyan daw siya picturean. Hindi din siya papatalo, guys. Tabi? Kapugi naman talaga.
Je kan het zelfs helemaal onder die boom. Heb je dat?
Vika, zo mooi foto. Kijk.
Mag ik kijken ook?
Wauw.
Mag ik kijken?
Jij moet het ook doen.
Wow. Foto, hè?
Je kunt hier ook tussen.
Hinahanap niya din yung picture niya. Yeah.
Make a movie.
Where? That you can go there?
Ja.
Ah. Utusan niya pa ako. Magpasok daw ako dyan para sa vlog.
Ja, jij.
Magpasok daw.
Nathan
Baka,
kan wel tussen.
no, maybe there's snakes here, Vika.
Nou.
Maano ka dyan, ha?
Dit ook.
My love, he wants to go up, mahal.
I kijk in de vette.
Oh, and then I'll take a picture of Nathan.
Nee, niet zo.
But done. So, hawak ha? Hawak. 1, 2.
Ja, maak maar een fotootje.
So, 1, 2. Kijk hier. Kijk hier, baby love.
Maak je afhangen.
Unsa man ni na picture, uy.
Hier. Hier is het ook heel.
Oh, there is better.
Sta.
Diyan ka magupo. Oh, picture ka ni mama, ha? Wait lang. Kijk hier naar mama, baby love. Kijk hier. Oh, normal. Don't smile.
En nou moet ik de af.
Voor jou.
Nee, dat is te hoog voor jou, baby love. Mahulog ka dyan.
Maar heel laag nemen.
En dan?
Kijk hier, papa. Kijk hier. Hala, mahulog man siguro. Pabibo ba? Pabibo.
Watch out. Nou.
Wow.
Als een leeuw.
Picture lang tayo dito.
Dat eigenlijk.
Leuk hoor. Ah, daar komt
Nou
de
naar
tijd.
beneden.
Hè? Ja, dat weet ik ook niet. Het is wel een joekkop van een boom.
Wow.
Mooi boompje. Kun je niet opeten hoor, maar dat is wel heel leuk. Zie je dat?
Pasok po tayo dito. Sabi ko kay Nathan, baka may makita po kami ng mga prutas-prutas. Sabi niya, meron din silang tinapay dito. Dito sa Kalasangan.
En als het dan heel koud is en winter wordt en er helemaal geen
Picturean mo sila. Ang ganda ang background.
dan denken ze, hé, en eten ze er lekker op. Zie, een knolammoniet, een kleintje.
No.
The first paddenstoel.
Oh, yeah. All the mushroom in the world here. Look. Ah, they also have the mushrooms here, Vika. Just like in the
Ja, weet je nog wel?
the Bos Panipe.
Ja, en waar waren we ook alweer toen? Weet je, toen met dat boerderijhuisje.
Oh, yeah.
Er waren heel veel, weet je nog wel, met die rookjes, dikke stippen.
Yeah.
Die mag vlot.
Sige nang taya dito kahit hindi natin intindihan.
Ja, er waren paddenstoelen. Rood met
Sige, dala-dala magtarak-tarak.
What?
Why you're not using it?
Because the steering is not working.
Why? Is that the one from the Japan, mahal?
No,
Mm.
it's from China.
Oh, from China.
die putten vlogen bij de beentjes, hoepla in de lucht. Hé, hier is een gewoon paardje. Hier is een gewoon paardje. Zullen we die kant nog even op?
Ah, no apples here, Vika.
Appels? No.
Oh,
Ja, die zijn hier.
mahina. Wala silang mga fruits pala dito, guys. Hindi katulad sa atin pag ganito, may mga santol na.
Peren, een trui.
Papaya, boko.
Kijk op je.
Sa kanila dito, kay ganito lang talaga. Wow! Beautiful! I love it.
Ja, je kunt hier ook fietsen.
Yeah.
What is that? Wow.
Love you.
Waarom?
Thank you so much.
Grabe mga trip nila guys, no? Maganito din kayo dyan sa Pilipinas, guys.
Dat hebben ze niet in het
Lakad-lakad. Ha? It's too hot to do this. But some people are doing this Vika, like hiking and also...
Oh ja, maar
Ja.
hebben ze ook heide in de Filipijnen?
No, we don't have that.
No.
I don't think so. Meron ba to? Maybe in the mountains.
Nee,
No?
heide is op plaingrond.
Ang ano ba yung header daw? Meron ba daw tayo ganyan sa Pilipinas? Meron, dami dito. Parang meron tayong ganyan. No? Sa Mount Apo, meron siguro yung paakyat na.
Uit die boom, die er naar uit. Kijk.
What is that?
Apple, then apple.
An apple?
And then apple.
Dennenappel, mama.
Then apple? Oh, is there... This is what you call then apple?
Then apple.
Ano yan sa English, guys? Maniniyot, oh, maniniyot.
Ga maar op die stoel, op dat...
Sige, upo ka dyan. Ka-photo ka ni Oma. This one, Vika, is this edible? Ano yan, guys? No.
Nee, dat is giftig.
No. Dami silang mga paganyan dito pero hindi nakikain. Wah! Ano man yan? With the hide on the back of you. Wait. Oh. 1, 2. Oh. So my. Joiner. Upo good agad siya kay picturean ako ni Bianan. Bebe love, look at us. Picture met Papa and Mama.
Dennenappels.
What is that in English,
Pine
mahal?
cones. Pine cones.
Pine cones. Moyor. Tito ka, pwede ka mag-smile? A little smile for Mama?
Wauw.
One more time, mahal. One more time.
Bessen niet. Die zijn giftig.
Poisonous, Vika? Wow!
What is that? And then apple.
Ja, dat is een mooie dennenappel.
Kadami talagang nag-walking dito, guys.
Zie je hem al heel eind vandaan,
As
maar
in. Doon, kadami din pong tao, oh. At dito, oh. Hilig silang maglakad-lakad. Photo, photo. 1, 2. 1, 2. Oh!
Oh!
So beautiful. Look, look.
Die foto.
Si ano, si Nathan din daw. Rina, ook Nathan.
Nou, kan ook ertussenin. Op het
Zo.
randje.
Nee.
Op de schoot.
Dali na, 1, 2. Photo. So mooi. Wow.
Achteruit rijden anders.
Vika is driving.
Doe je dat?
Nou, de andere kant op.
Tinuruan niya na ang nanay niya.
Ik weet niet of ik achteruit de boek zo lang staan.
Yan, may mga padaan na naman po. Look at that.
Mag ik ook
Ah.
proberen?
Ja, jij mag ook proberen.
Op mama, die gaat het sturen.
Dat is moeilijk. Gewoon draaien, nu sturen. Ja, de andere kant op natuurlijk.
Kuya lagi translate ani, guys. Good luck sa pag-translate.
Je moet alleen pakken.
Konti lang siguro, no? Kay pangit din, wala kayong maintindihan, no? Kung hindi ako mag-translate dyan.
Je moet ook sturen, hè?
Sturen, sturen!
Willetje. Andere kant op.
Oh.
Nee, laat maar staan. Gewoon blijven staan.
Wow! Very good! Look, guys! Nathan can drive so good! Parang makadalawang vlog pa tayo for today's video. Kahit ano na kasi pakita ko sa inyo, tingnan nyo ang buhangin, guys. Kay, tinry ko po na ilagay sa cellphone. Nakaano na po tayo 33 minutes. Pag edit nito, baka 5 minutes ang matira. Kaya wala kwenta yung iba. No? So kahit yung mga walang kwenta, ilagay po natin. Alaga nito pala ang itsura nito. Hala, wala gud akong nakita na bato sa Netherlands. Kasi makita ng bato sa Netherlands, guys. Ay, ganito pala ang bato sa O, di ba? Naka 13 seconds, 14 seconds na tayo. Oh. May pamilya na parating. Dami nilang anak, guys. Sana all, grabe. 5. Oh, sana all masipag.
Very nice.
Super nice that.
That he likes this one so much.
Can you say something more, Mahal? Because this is 33 minutes now.
Can I say something more?
Yeah, because then I can end the vlog.
What more do you want me to say?
A story.
Salamat, bye.
Sa niya kay magluto pa man daw kami ng bami. So I'm making 2 vlogs. Maybe you have story there, Vika.
Story.
Yeah.
When I was a little child, when I was 5 or 6, I came here with my parents.
Oh,
And I
really?
claim in the same old tree as where
This
Nathan
one? I
claimed.
there?
Yes.
I really?
Yeah.
Like that
Oh.
story.
And now I'm
You want
73.
more words because you want
70
more
years,
content.
70 years later, I still climb in that tree.
Ay, that. Really, Vika? I did not know that story.
No.
So you went here with your family,
Yeah,
with Bob
and
also,
with
Vika? Your...
Pake and Oma, and Daniel was maybe 2.
Yeah? You had
and,
pictures
and
when you were
Ruben,
there or not?
Yeah, well,
Yeah?
yeah.
Oh,
But I
wow.
think that album is at Ruben's place at the
Mm.
moment.
Umakyat din pala siyang inakyatan niya kanina. That's the story I want. So you, how about you? Or story? Your story?
Story.
Story night.
Maybe this is 36 minutes. Later again, I will think of a story, guys. Sige, for the vlog, Mahal. You go up. Grabe, meron palang history ito kay Bianan.
Sige for the vlog.
Oh.
No real place to go anymore, Mahal. There. You want me to go there?
No, Mahal, you will fall. Pagpuyo na.
You climb in it.
No, I forgot how to climb, Vika. That was long time ago.
Oh, nata mag ik even rijden?
I'm afraid of heights now.
Ook eventjes, en dan mag jij daarna weer. Maar can you give me the thing? I have super nice sight here.
Okay. Bebe, labi. Wala, may iyakan nang naganap dito. Ando na naman niyot, oh. Ay niya, pairamin ang tatay niya, guys. Kaya first time niya kasi ang denive ngayon. Kaya parang na-overwhelmed siya. So sweet. Sana ganyan ni kami ni Nathan, guys, oh. Now, we go home?
Yes.
Okay, we go home.
Even.
Look, Bebe Love. Nagbike si uncle. Let's go!
Yeah.
Do you have a story?
No, I don't.
This one can be eaten. Right? Look.
Yeah.
Berries.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
But here a lot of dogs.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
wouldn't,
Yeah. Ayun, biyanan ko, guys. Oh. You smell it, Vika? I want to smell it
tuck him
again.
in a house.
Dalhin niya daw sa bahay. Marami akong bubuyog dito, guys. Wala talaga siyang amoy. No smell at all. Oh, magbabay na kayo sa header. Baro, mag-uwi na tayo. Kayong mga laruan mo doon kay Oma. Maglaro ka sa laruan, okay? Tapos magkain ng snack? Oh, sino magkain ng snack? Ako daw. Uy! Ano naman yan? Tayo. Uwi na tayo. Going home. Oh! Gara na yung kanya, oy. Sige, kay masaktan ka na dyan. Tama na. Brand Natos, Nathan. Ayan, ang kadami, oh. Brand Natos, Nathan. Persik Taktar. Oh, guys, nag-enjoy naman kayo sa vlog natin for today. Thank you so much for watching. Abangan ang ulam bukas. Bye! Bye-bye daw.